There's something about this time of year that just makes me feel so happy? Joyful? I always share that feeling. I'm always jolly around Christmas time, and no, it makes me feel annoyed. It's just singing and happiness and just, it's so loud. I hate it. You know, you could try celebrating something other than Christmas. You know, in France we have this thing called Chants de Noël. We just gather around cathedrals, and then we just play and sing. That wouldn't work. I hate every type of holiday around this time. Now, if you excuse me, I have a train to catch. Or train to pull, whatever. God, these two are bound to be jolly at this time.
Happy holidays, Montague.
Guess what? I don't care.
Fucking asshole.
Good God. Everybody has to be so merry at this time, don't they? Just happiness, singing, carols everywhere. Jesus Christ, I wish there was somebody else who shared my hatred for this time so I could actually talk with them about it. Come on, Montague, Christmas is supposed to be a time for being thankful and kind to others. Exactly. If you're going to spread this hatred out to others, you should at least spread it out only to yourself. No! Screw that! Fuck you all! Christmas is an awful time of year. I hate it, I can't stand it, and I never sleep with all those noisy-ass carolers around everywhere I go. Now please everyone, shut up and go to sleep. You disgraceful, unhappy bastard! Well, I guess if that's how you feel. God, why does Christmas have to be this way? All the time, it's just the same. What the hell? Who's there? Hello? Ah! Who and what the fuck are you?
I am a ghost, of course, and I'm here to warn you that if you don't change your ways before tomorrow, you will be visited by 3 more spirits. So, just be warned.
What? No, that can't be true. It's just all fake. I'm just dreaming, that's all. Oh my God, who could that be at this hour? What the hell? So sorry if I disturbed you. Hi, who are you? I'm the ghost of Christmas past, and I'm going to show you what the past was like for you. Hello, Tobias. I must say, you've done a really good job lately sorting out all these trucks. You get them done without fuss, and I really appreciate that about you. Why, thank you, Montague. Because you don't argue like the other shunters, you don't belittle anybody else, you're just a kind soul, and I really appreciate that. You're probably my favorite shunter in this yard, to be honest. I really appreciate that, Montague. As you see there, Montague, that was once you. You were once a very kind engine. But, unless you change your ways, of course, you're always gonna be who you are now. Oh, God. But now I have to wonder who the next spirit's going to be. Hello, Montague. I am the ghost of Christmas future, and I'm going to show you what your life is going to be like if you do not change. Hold on a second, but I was just visited by Ghost of Christmas Past. Isn't Ghost of Christmas Present supposed to be next?
Oh god damn it, I got my time frame mixed up. I was gonna try and attempt a really spooky and creepy effect, but
Guess now, I have to be the Ghost of Christmas Present and show you what your life is currently like or whatever. How boring. These damned holidays always getting in the way of everything. It takes up too much time and effort, and I hate it. When I tried celebrating Christmas all those years ago, it didn't do anything. It just made me more frustrated. You know, Montague, you don't always have to be condescending. Christmas is a good holiday to celebrate, and I'm sure you'll like it if you give it a chance. Again. Well, sorry to tell you, Joey, but once was good enough for me. After that one fiasco, I'm not going to be celebrating Christmas ever again. Well, whatever you say, Montague. If you want to hate Christmas, then hate Christmas. But keep your negative attitude to yourself. So, that's you currently, huh? Seem like a pretty negative-natured guy, huh? Well, I recommend you change that and be nice to the others. Especially after seeing how nice you were way back when. What happened, by the way? Was it because of Tobias after he shunted you into the river? To be honest, I prefer not to say. Well, you seem to still be the same. Let's head back to the sheds. Well, Montague, I guess since that didn't work, it's up to the Ghost of Christmas Future to decide what happens. And believe me, he doesn't play nice. So, I hope you're ready. Well, I guess it's just one more spirit and then I'm done. It's not gonna change anything. Oh, it's a diesel this time, is it? Well, I guess... Ghost of Christmas Future? Is that you?
Silence! Come with me, and I'll show you what your future may hold.
What's in the name of... Where am I? Where are we? I don't understand
That's right, Montague. All the other engines and Mr. Richards got so tired of your negative behavior that they decided to just leave you here in this abandoned area from the railroad. So, they just kept you here and kept you here to the point that you eventually rusted away, no longer to be useful. So, if you don't change your ways, Montague, you could end up like this version of yourself. It's your choice. Now let's head back to the shed. Well, good luck, Montague. I've done all I can do, but considering you don't seem to want to change from what the other three told me, it looks like that possible reality of your future will become your future reality.
No! 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 I promise! I'll change! I don't want to end up like that! Please! Please! I promise I'll change! Montague! What? Hey Runio, what day is it? It's Christmas Day, December 25th. Wait, it's Christmas? Oh, this is wonderful! Where's Card? He left because of your little outburst last night. So he went over to Silverbolt Sheds instead to spend Christmas there. Well, I guess if that's the case, I must put things right with him. I need to go to Tank Works. Mr. Hutchings! Mr. Hutchings! It's me, Merry Christmas for one thing, but I need a favor. Oh, well, Merry Christmas to you too, Montague. What is it you need? Do you think you could put something together for me? Merry motherfucking Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas, guys. I'm glad I was able to spend Christmas with you here. Wait, Cod, hold on a second. Oh, great. What are you doing here, Montague? Listen, Cod, I'm sorry about what happened last night. I take back everything I said. So, earlier I got Mr. Hutchings to make you a little something. Wait, Montague, you actually got me something? Open it up and take a look. Montague! You got me a new snowplow? Well, thank you, Montague. That's so nice. Well, of course, Cod. Again, I'm sorry about what happened last night. So I got Mr. Hutchings to make you this to make up for it. Well, Montague, this more than well makes up for it. I really appreciate the gift. Merry Christmas to you all! And I would like to thank those 3 ghosts and that green terrier tank engine for telling me the error of my ways, and making me realize them and fix them. Well, I'd better get back to Parkside Sheds. We're all having our own celebrations there. Have a good Christmas, everybody! No. There's no way. He can't still be around, can he? Ernest, Stevie, Gale, you guys okay? Oh, yes. We're perfectly fine, Steve. Merry Christmas to all of you, and to all a good sandwich.